Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Canva AI for beginners. Let's get started with the video. Select Canva AI. You can do a lot with AI, as you can see here. You can code, you can make a video, you can design stuff, you can generate an image, you can even write using AI, etc., etc. Here, you can make a fun memory matching game. So for instance, I want them to design a social media format Instagram post. I'm just going to type in create a promotional Instagram post about my bakery, and then you're just going to describe it. We sell, let's see, we sell pistachio donuts, and our brand color is pastel pink and green. And then you're just going to press the arrow here, and it's going to basically generate whatever it is you need. It's going to give you some examples as well. It's not just going to give you one. You can also create presentations with this. There's just a lot you can make with this. Obviously, I'm not going to go through everything. Here is kind of the designs that they made. I like this one, but you can go back to use Canva editor, and you can obviously change the picture. You can change the site. Maybe your website is like pistachiodonuts.com. I don't know. And then here you can also change the font if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.